Rubem de Silva, do Renaissance. Conheces?
Já não está no Renaissance. Está no Lince. Comercial?
Sim.
Está no Lince. Meu de conta. Porquê? Quer falar contigo?
Não, o Pedro está a dizer aqui.
Acabou, despediu-se.
Quem é o comercial do Renaissance?
A Rita. Uma das Ritas. Depende do...
Anyway, I like the cab with the artwork on it. We'll send this one down because each of the cabs actually have unique. The cabs are all unique on them, so we'll look at the others. And I'm kind of curious. Here's a service car. I need to satisfy my curiosity. There is mist in here. Let's see. Oh, it's no. Inviting me in. What the hell? What? What? Whatever it is, it must be getting modernized. Very weird. Okay. That's odd. Also, I like the design of this elevator lobby. Oh. This is the Salvador Dali elevator, I guess. This one's cool. I like this. Here we are at 0. It doesn't say the date. When are these from? Maybe I could just look it up online. Look up the hotel opening date, who knows. Find some way to figure it out. Anyway, here's the swanky lobby. Anyway, there's the elevators, and my hand's getting eaten by a shark. That's right.